Okay guys, we're gonna quickly just record a video on the bike and see how we get on with it. With the new bike stand, so let's just do this. We can get this bloody thing on. Okay, just going to check the camera, make sure that we're looking good. Let's put it like that and see how it goes. This is a bit bumpy, so let's see how it gets on. The bumpiness. Ooh. You alright, buddy? You okay? You alright, buddy? You okay? Yeah, recording's going down. Go. Definitely somebody's flag right there. Okay. It's just a bit of a chill pace. Let's turn this around. And we're here in this place, so we're going to turn the camera around again. Alright, let's head back and see how our video comes out.